Alright, welcome back to another week. Welcome back to another episode of Quick Win Wednesday. I'm very sorry, I noticed it a little bit too late. The previous videos, my font was a little bit too small, so I fixed it. Alright, so today we're going to talk about WhereX. WhereX is actually an improved where statement where you can use the field that you want to search on as a suffix to your where statement. So let's dive into it. So in here I have a newly created model with a migration. I have a title, a description, and a target audience. The target audience is a string. I already provided two books in this model. So I'm going to open up Artisan Tinker, and I'm going to just really quickly fetch all books. There you can see I have a typo right here, my first book. It's actually meant to be first book, but yeah, you get the picture. Target audience is kids, and here the target audience is millennials. So I have two books, but what if we only want the books with the target audience of kids? Well, we could use the normal where statement where the target audience equals to kids, and I need like this. Get, there we go. Then we get all the books with target audience of kids. But we could also use the field name as a suffix to our where statement. So just like this, I can just leave this be here. Where, and it's camel case, so where camel case target audience equals to kids, and then get, and it's actually the same thing. So that's how you use the WhereX statement, where you use the field name as a suffix to your where statement. Well, today was a real quick one. I hope you learned something from it. I tend to use this quite often just to make my code more readable. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.